How to draw Ridley Jones step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Ridley Jones, we're going to begin by drawing one small piece of hair on the left hand side of our page. Connected to this small piece of hair, we're going to draw an upside down shape that looks similar to a question mark. This upside down shape that we're going to draw will be the left side of Ridley's face. Nicely done. Now once we're done with that step, we're going to finish drawing the hair right above. In total, I'm going to draw 7 pieces of hair, including what I have already drawn. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. And if you want to, you can make some of the pieces of hair that you draw go in different directions and make one a little bit smaller than the other, or you can make more or less than 7. So now coming down from the right piece of hair that we just drew, we're going to draw one more long piece of hair. I guess that puts us at 8 pieces altogether. We're going to draw this long curvy line, and it will come down to a point, and then we'll make it come back up just a little bit. So as of right now, we have a big opening to the inside of the face. Let's go ahead and close this off by connecting the curved line on the left hand side of the page to the piece of hair that we just drew by using a simple curved line. So now, once we're all done connecting those two sides of the face, the next step will be to draw the ear on the right hand side by using a simple curved line that looks similar to a backwards C. Now, on the inside of the ear that we just drew together, we can draw a big S connected to the piece of hair for detail. So now, as you can see, we don't have any hair on the left hand side of the page, so let's go ahead and draw one more piece of hair on the left hand side, similar to what we just drew on the right hand side. Now you're probably thinking, are we going to draw the second ear? Not just yet. Before we do that, we're going to draw the top of the head of Ridley Jones. Beginning on the left hand side, we're going to draw a big curved line to connect to the ear, and we're going to draw multiple of these all connected to one another, and they will connect all the way over to the piece of hair that we just drew on the left hand side of the page. And now you're probably thinking, well Nathan, now that we drew the top of the head, can we also draw the left ear? If you guessed that, then you're right. Let's go ahead and draw this big ear right here on the left hand side by making a simple C-like shape. Now let's draw a big S shape in the center of this ear. So now we're pretty much done drawing all of the main parts on the outside of the head. The only thing that we still have to do for that section is to draw the hat, which we'll come back to later on in today's video. So now we're going to draw the eyes. Beginning on the right hand side, we're going to draw a curved line that is facing upwards. Now attached to that curved line, we're going to draw an upside down U for the eye. So now, on the inside of the shape that we just made, we're going to draw the inside of the eye. Now we'll want to fill in the inside of what we just drew completely black. Now right above the eye that we just made, we're going to make the eyelashes by making a curved line with 2 small pieces on the end. Well done! So far we're making great progress. Now right above those eyelashes that we just drew, we're going to draw the first eyebrow. And let's go ahead and fill this in completely black as well. Now in between the eyelash and the eyebrow, we're going to draw a small curved line for detail to help a little bit with facial expression. Now let's draw the second eye on the left hand side of the face. The only thing different between this side and the other side is that we're not going to draw a line for facial expression. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends so that we can continue to grow our drawing community together. And when I upload regularly, you'll be able to see all the new videos that I post. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Well done! I'm really happy with how my eyes have turned out. Now right beneath the eyes and in the center, we're going to draw the nose. When drawing the nose, it will be made up of a lot of small curved lines. Now right beneath the nose, let's draw the mouth. The mouth will appear to be open, and there will be a row of teeth on the top, which will be made by using a simple line going across, with a tongue on the bottom by using a simple curved line. On the top outside corners of the mouth, I'm going to add in a couple small little lines for facial expression. To help show the chin, I'm going to add one more curved line right underneath of the mouth. Nice! Now we're all done drawing the face. For the next step, we're just going to draw the hat of Ridley Jones. Beginning on the left hand side, we're going to draw a big curved line connecting from the left ear all the way over to the right. This will be the base of the hat. On the inside of the hat, we'll draw a long curvy line going from left to right. Well done! Now last but not least, let's draw the top of the hat. Now on the inside of the top of the hat, we'll draw a curved line for the ribbon that goes around. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Ridley Jones. Thanks for drawing with me, and if you like this video, give it a big like. Great job today, and see you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.